I have been obsessed with Porsches for a very long time. So back in either 13 or 14 when I started working here, the week that I started working here, I found this car. It was a black 911 SE. It was so much money for me at the time. It was like $14,000, which I would buy 20 of them right now if I could find them. I was so nervous to buy this car. My dad's like, dude, you're out of your mind. Just go buy the car, it's fine. So I went to the guy's house. I gave him the money. He's like, all right, we're gonna set up transportation this weekend. Let me get all the documents together. When I tell him, hey man, I'm so excited. I have like all these parts in my shopping cart. I'm about to pull the trigger. Like, you made my dreams come true. And he says, hey, I'm really like devastated that you just said that because I cannot sell this car. I've had this car for so long. I've been toying with the idea of selling it or restoring it. And I know you gave me the money, but I'm going to restore it, and I'm so sorry. I was absolutely devastated. I've been on the hunt for one of these ever since. So about 2 months ago, I heard of someone who had one, and I was like, I need the car, let me know how much. It was a great deal. The car fell through. I thought I had it. I thought I lost it. I thought I had it. Thought I lost it, but I got the car. The car is paid for. They threw the title in the car. They threw it in the back of a flatbed, and finally, my car is here. It's sight unseen. I have not seen a photo. All I know is that it is vomiting oil, from what the owner said, and it needs body work, but it's here. The flatbed is here. It's pulling off. Let's go check it out. I could not get this guy to send me a photo for some reason. And when he sent me a photo of the title, I said, send me some photos of the car. I haven't seen it. And my dad said, just wait till it gets here, see it in person for the first time. I'm nervous, I'm excited. I don't know what we're in for. Is it an engine rebuild? Are we stripping this thing down to bare metal? Like, this is a very long dream that's been deferred. And finally, I said, you know what, let's just do it. So we're gonna have this guy pull down. I had my buddies at Empire Towing pick up the car for my good friend Tico, who owns Torrent Motorsports. Tico was with Hennessy Performance for like 15 years. Then he left and he went to Porsche After Sales. He was the after sales rep for almost all of North America. So if you had a factory problem with your factory Porsche, like a new car, he would get on the phone with you and deal with everything, make sure that you were satisfied. We dealt with some of Porsche's biggest VIP customers. At one point, we were dealing with a 911R with him. That was the most expensive Porsche to ever leave the factory. I mean, that was years ago. I don't know if that's still the case, but he actually flew my dad out to Chicago to go look at the paint. We're very close with Tico. Tico found this car for me. He's gonna be a part of this build. We're gonna do everything from interior, exterior, performance, wheels, suspension, you name it. This car is gonna be all that. It's gonna be the ultimate cars and coffee cruiser. Can you back up in front of the shop? Does it drive? So he says it needs a booster. Yeah, I don't know what to expect. I don't know if we're gonna have a regular engine lid, a ducktail, if we're gonna have like a whale tail. This is one of my buddy John from Empire Towing's new trucks. Okay. So we do not have a spoiler, which is actually what I like for just kicking around as far as the summer goes. Got it all. This is a big deal for us. Wow. It is disgusting right now. All right, I'll be in a minute. This thing's pretty messed up. Brakes are a little sketchy. All right. Okay, this thing's messed up. Off the clutch. I just feel like it's got a stall. It's not warmed up. It's a little, whoa, I'm hearing crazy noises. Whoa, hear that? I feel like the engine's gonna drop out. Yeah, holy shit. Other than the engine feeling it's gonna fall out, it's pretty good. All right, let's call it pause.
What's up, Jojo?
Hey, can you come up the street with the jumper? With the...
I'm with a customer right now. Oh, Mikey.
Okay.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, can you bring the jump pack to the end of the street?
Like 10 minutes. Pasquale.
Pasquale told me to call you. Hopefully no one comes around this corner. Oh, we're so money. We're literally gonna roll right back to where we were.
The world's best reverse driver here.
I am. I could be in Formula R. If all races were backwards, I would be like Mario Andretti-ish. But I think the general plan, because we have so many pans in the fire right now, so many projects that we're working on, from the 993, We have that G-Body Cabriolet, the 356. We're about to prime that today. Hopefully that's either gonna go like a posy blue variant or something similar to slate gray. I think I'm just gonna kind of clean this thing up a little bit. Maybe we'll wrap it, drive it for the summer, have some fun with it. I like to daily it this summer if that's possible.